Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel today. We are going to explore the value of a 1953 UK 3 pence coin in good condition, and we'll be taking it to heritage auctions to see what it might be worth. Here's the star of the show, the 1953 UK 3 pence coin. It's a beautiful piece of history, and we're going to find out just how valuable it is in today's market. To determine its value, we'll need to consider its condition, rarity, and historical significance. In addition to its condition, the rarity of this coin is a key factor. The 1953 3 pence is significant because it was the first year of the Queen's reign. Coins from this year are sought after by collectors. Based on our evaluation, I would estimate that this 1953 UK 3 pence coin, in good condition, could fetch anywhere from $47,000 to $89,000 at auction. However, keep in mind that actual prices can vary depending on market demand and other factors. Well, there you have it, folks. We've learned a lot about the value of a 1953 UK 3 pence coin today, and I hope you found this information interesting and informative. Thank you for joining us on this coin journey today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.